Hi guys, welcome to NAVIFORCE Watch video. This video it aims to introduce the operational steps of different functional modes of NAVIFORCE LED digital watch. And this time we got the model of NF9171. Let's have a look at this menu book for this model. And we can see here from the menu book we can know this model we got 4 function modes. The first is normal mode, stopwatch mode, alert mode, and the time setting mode. Firstly, I'm supposed to present you the key components involved during the adjustment process. Now let's change the real watch. Okay, here is the watch. The button on the top left side here we call button A. And then in counterclockwise order, this is button B, button C, and button D. And let's have a look at the different words that represent different functional modes. In normal mode, press button B to switch to different modes. Let's have a look at the 2 o'clock position window here. Press button B. Then the ST means it's the stopwatch mode. Press again. AL means here it's in the alert mode setting. And press again. Now here this second area is flashing means we are in the time setting mode. Press again. Okay, now we come back to the normal mode. In any mode, press button A to make the LED light for 3 seconds. So nice, the LED light. Here comes to the stopwatch mode setting. We got 3 kinds of time recording of stopwatch mode. They are: number 1, accumulate time recording. Number 2, sleep time recording. Number 3, finish time recording. Now let me show you how to operate it. The first one, accumulate time recording. First, we need to switch the button B to change to this window. ST means we are in the stopwatch mode. And then use button D to start the recording. If you want to stop, press button D again. Okay, now this 75, it's the recording. And if you want to restart and stop, and then if you want to finish, use button C. Okay, the number return to the original. Okay, now number 2, the sleep time recording setting. It's the same. Use the button D to start. And sleep time keeping. Use the button C. And you can see here this small window CHR is flashing. And okay, press button C again to sleep time keeping termination. And use button D to stop. Okay, press button D to finish. Okay, the third one, finish time recording. Use button D to start it. And when you want the sleep time recording, the first player finishing the race show the finish time of the first race finisher. Okay, this is the sleep time recording for the first race finish. Then use the button D Now it's the second player finish the race. And then if you want to tell me read timed recording, show the finish time of the second race finisher. Press button C. And then press button C again to finish the recording. And pay attention, the measure up to 23 hours and 59 minutes and 59.99 seconds. If the stopwatch is not timely stopped, it will continuously keep the time and will start measuring off from 0 when reaching to the upper limit of the measurement. And even though the interface of the stopwatch mode is easy, the stopwatch mode will continue to measure. And exiting stopwatch mode when the screen showing the sleep time recording is frozen will lead to the elimination of the record sleep time. Okay, this is for all the time recording. Here comes to the alarm function setting. First of all, we press button B to switch to the alarm function. Now here the AL means we are in the alarm function setting mode. And first we can see here there are 3 small windows between the 8 and 9 o'clock. And we press button D. Please see carefully. Here the ALM is light up. And please ensure before you setting the alarm, please light up the alarm function ALM. So when you finish this step, press button C to start the alarm functions. Now let me set an alarm of the 8 o'clock and 10 minutes. Press button C. Now the hour area is flashing, and use the button D to add the figure. Add the figure to 8 o'clock. Okay. And press button C again to switch to the minute area. Then the minute area we need is 10. Use button D to add the figure to 10 minutes. Okay, now the alert of 8 o'clock of 10 minutes is finished the setting. And this model we also have the SIG and the snooze function. First, we need to press button C to confirm the alert. Okay, now the alert is confirmed. Then in the alert mode, press the button D continuously. And we can find here this small window SIG is light up. And press again button D. And these two SIG and ALM, these two small window is light up. And then when the SIG is light up, the alarm will ring automatically and continuously for 15 seconds at the next hour. You can press any button to stop the alarm. And pay attention, only the alarm word ALM and SIG, these two windows is light up. The alarm function and the SIG function can be started. If the ALM icon and the SIG words are not on, the alarm and SIG functions will not on. And also the snooze function. When the alarm is beeping, press button B to turn on the snooze function, and after 5 minutes, the alarm will keep again for 20 seconds. Okay, this is for the alarm function setting. Here comes to the time setting mode. First of all, I will supposed to introduce you every single window for the different time display. Here we can see the window here at 2 o'clock position is for the weekly, and here it's the 3 is for the month, and here the 5 is for the date, and here the fractions area is for the second area, and here the 1 is for the hour area, and 55 is the minute area. So in normal mode, press button B, we need to switch to the time setting mode, and when you can see the second area is fractions, means we are in the time setting mode, and press button C to switch to the area you need to setting. Now here the hour area is fraction. We need to press button D to add the figure to the time we need to set. Now let me set the time of 9 o'clock of 5 minutes and the April of the 15th. So here is the one we need to add the figure to the 9 o'clock. Okay, then it's use the button C to switch to the minute area we need. It's the 5 minutes. Use button D to add the figure to the 5 minutes. Okay, here we are, and then press button C. Now here is the month area is fractions. We need to add to the April is the 4. Okay, switch to the next area, and we need the date is 13. So use button D to add the figure to 13. Okay, when we finish the settings, we need to press button B to confirm and exit. Okay, all function settings are here for this model. Hope this video can help you to set the functions. If you want to see more kinds of this function, please remember to subscribe to our videos account. This is NAVIFORCE Watch. See you next time. Bye.